Do you remember those cosmic brownies that you used to get in your lunchbox when you were a little kid? They were like a little Debbie snack or one of those packaged treats. Well, I'm making a copycat today and they taste even better because you made them from scratch. This is one of my favorite brownie recipes. It's super fudgy and a little bit chewy and super chocolatey. Start with 8 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We're using a cup of granulated sugar and 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar, 2/3 of a cup of cocoa powder, 2 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Basically, it's one bowl brownie mix. Just mix that all together and add in 1/2 of a cup of all-purpose flour. We're baking these in a 9x9 pan. If you bake them in a 9x13, it's just gonna be a lot thinner. If you wanted to double the recipe to bake in a 9x13 pan, you can. They'll just be a little bit thicker than the ones that we are making in this pan. Once they're finished, the chocolate frosting on top is just a rich chocolate ganache, which is super simple to make. We're using heavy whipping cream. There's no substitutions for that. You'll need 1.5 cups of chocolate chips and 1/2 of a cup of heavy whipping cream. Heat to melt and then whisk together. Now, cosmic brownies are just a kind of a fudgy, chewy brownie with a rich chocolate topping, and then those telltale rainbow chips, which you can get those rainbow chips on Amazon, at Walmart, lots of different places. And there you have it, cosmic brownies. They are amazing. They're just like those nostalgic ones from your childhood, except they're homemade and you can have them whenever you want. Don't follow me already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep watching for even more brownie recipes.